pepper them. All the time I did pepper them. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to MX24's Event Guide, your sure plugged event happening in and around the city. My name is Afinuna and I'm your special event curator. I'm sure with my intro, you'll realize who is in studio with me. But before we go into that, do make sure to visit www.mx24.event for events happening around you, for tickets, etc. Now, if you want your event amplified on our platforms, WhatsApp us on 059-888-9441. 059-888-9441. Today we are talking Fire and Flow concert with Lali and Lola.
Hey, wait, hold on. Hey.
I've been waiting for this.
I know, right?
Hi, ladies.
Hi, Afi.
How you doing?
We good.
You're looking
You're looking. Yes, guys. Wait. Afi is so hot. They pepper them like extra pepper. Hot.
Okay, so Fire and Flow concert,
Yes.
Kamakazi Edition. Right? Tell us about it.
Okay, so we had the audacious confidence to start our own concert.
Yes.
4 years ago.
Yeah.
And it's evolved over time.
Yeah.
And this year it is Kamakazi Edition, and it's called Fire and Flow.
Yes, it's
Okay.
happening on the 1st of August at Alliance Française. But you know, the amazing thing about this concert is usually we do it like it's just us, but this time we're going to make it into a festival with the help of 6 Degrees as our implementation partner. So we're making it bigger, better. We even have some 4 slots that we're even giving out to new acts, rapper, singer, a music group and the dance group as well. So we're just opening it up, and it's gonna be amazing. We have live band with Adoko band. We have DJ sets. We have some dance. Guys, we have surprise acts. You know what? Even see, the thing is, a lot of people, you're gonna miss out because everyone is always like, oh shoot, I missed this. You don't want to miss it, guys. And the tickets are very affordable, very reasonable.
Guys, we're thinking about you guys when we have to go back and forth to guys. We tried.
See you. So we have
Ticket colors are nice.
I know, right?
You know.
So you can get your tickets from us physically by just DMing us, and we'll come to wherever you are within Accra. A reasonable place, then we'll come.
Self-delivery.
Yeah.
Personal delivery.
Personally. And then you can also get it from our website, Fire and Flow Concert, or you can actually dial *714 *11 *01#, and we have our early bird tickets, which will be closing very soon.
You can get it from
MX24.
Yes, exactly.
You know what is happening in town.
Yeah, that's the go-to place. Okay.
Anything event
is there. All right.
you.
Yes. So we have our early bird tickets, which will be closing very soon. That's 100 CDs. You should get it now, okay? And we also have our 150 standard, and we have a 250 VIP experiential package. So that means that when you get there, with our vendors, all you have to do is scan. You can spend that your 250 that you bought on the ground.
You don't have to pay for anything.
No, but if your 250 is finished, you can go and top up.
Recharge.
Yeah, that one there.
Very necessary.
Finish.
You can go and top up.
Yeah. So just to give you a brief history about Fire and Flow, I mean, from the first time, Bella Mundi was our host. Oh my God, shout out to Bella Mundi. She's our older sister. We love you so much.
And then Ya has been amazing as well.
Yes.
She's been consistent. After Bella Mundi, Ya has been the host, and she's still going to be our host. Because how can we do without Ya? Ya. Oh, no, we need her. We need her in our life.
She's extremely good, exceptional when it comes to hosting, yes.
Okay, now pause wherever you are. Watch this video. When we come back, we'll continue with the conversation. Fire.
Are you feeling it?
And flow.
Can you feel it?
Oh, clap,
The heat my god.
Be there and don't come.
Exactly.
Be there
Exactly.
and don't come.
Yeah.
So aside these new acts we're going to be seeing on stage,
Yeah.
should we expect someone else? Do you have any
Yes.
surprise you would like to put on MX24 so that it's like, oh, you only hear from MX24?
Oh, I mean, see, guys, the surprise acts. The thing, we want you to come and experience it for yourself. That's a surprise acts we have for you plenty. So you have to come and pull up and see for yourself in person.
right.
We want to make history together. And this event is gonna be the talk of the town. It's the biggest event in Accra, happening on the 1st of August, Alliance Française. And guys, just to note, we're doing a pre-game situation before the concert.
Okay, so you see how we said, oh, we're switching from like just normal concert to like festivity, right? Because we wanted to create a community. Like some people, they just want to come out with their families, with their friends, and just play games and stuff, have fun. So for us, like during like from 3-4 p.m. going till 6, that's when we're doing like games, like Ampe challenge, like we're going
on the
all
same
our
day.
like hopscotch, tag of war, like
just games, you know, just come out
just to
and
have fun. Like,
yeah.
bro, it's never...
network, build a community together.
Exactly.
So Fire and Flow 4 is not only about music and a good time in the evening. You get to have a pre-concert game.
Yes, exactly.
When
Yeah,
was the
very
last
fun.
time you saw somebody play Ampe?
And right?
Don't you want that nostalgic feeling of mother?
Yeah, same difference.
Pele and the rest.
Yeah, it's gonna be so much
Gen
fun.
Zs cannot relate.
Oh, the Gen Zs are invited. You can get to experience
Me, I'm a Gen Z,
it.
so I can't relate.
Please don't be. She's not a Gen Z.
I'm a Gen Z.
Millennial.
No, I'm a Gen Z.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've been talking about Fire and Flow 4, the Kamakazi Edition, happening on the 1st of August 2026 at Alliance Française. Visit mx24.event for tickets, of course. And you can dial star 714 star 11 star 01 hash. Star 714 star 11 star 01 hash. Or visit www.fireandflowconcert.com. Now, my name is Afinuna and I am your special event curator. If you want your event amplified on our platform, WhatsApp us on 059-888-9441. 059-888-9441. Visit mx24.event for tickets concerning any event happening around you. Now, I'll see you at your next event while I do Baby Kamakazi.
Baby, this your body, go, hey, baby, Kamakazi, baby, this your body, go, hey, it's pretty, come for me, hey, baby, come for me, hey, come for me, so
Come for our concert,
buy your ticket, Bye.